Virtusa is a rapidly emerging global IT services provider. We have locations all over the US, in Europe, UK, and in Asia, specifically here in Hyderabad, Chennai, India, and Colombo, Sri Lanka. We have over 4,000 worldwide team members and 69 active clients. From our very humble beginnings, the company was first founded in 1996, and we forayed into India in 2000 with just a very small team here in India of about 25 people in a small home in Jubilee Hills. We have seen tremendous strides. Our team members' dedication and devotion to what we do, the opportunity to serve our clients, to innovate for them, and to build cutting-edge platforms and solutions for them has been a hallmark of Virtusa. We have a fairly diversified revenue from a broad range of services, servicing 3 different industries, specifically media, communications and technology, and banking and financial services. The geographies we serve are Europe and North America. North America represents 76% of Virtusa's revenue. Europe represents 21% of our revenue, and the rest of the world represents 3% of our revenue. About 53% of Virtusa's revenue comes from IT consulting and systems implementation work, and the balance 47% comes from application outsourcing. The market for IT services is rapidly evolving, and CIOs face numerous challenges today. Perhaps one of the key most challenges that they face is the immediate importance of reducing their IT costs and maximizing their IT investments. Virtusa helps deliver accelerated solutions. We help reduce cycle time for our clients. We help improve their end consumer experience, and we greatly reduce their total cost of ownership by applying our consultative platforming approach, which enables them and us to rationalize and consolidate disparate IT applications. Much of our services are consulting-led, and we perhaps have one of the most optimized consulting or seamless consulting and outsourcing models in our industry. Our consultative, process-based approach and our platforming principles, including lean methods, deliver accelerated business outcomes for our clients. We work across many customer-facing processes of our clients. We simplify their IT application disparity by applying our platforming approach. We use a consultative, market-leading team to work in close unison to identify opportunities for rationalization and IT efficiency improvement, and rapidly execute this through one of the most optimized global delivery models in our industry.